How to identify hot-selling products. Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to identify what is a hot-selling product using several marketing research techniques. When it comes to selling stuff on eBay, most people would certainly have come up with an idea on what they would like to sell. Most of the time, people usually would stick to items that they are knowledgeable or familiar with and expand from there into a selling business. So if you're in a clueless situation and cannot decide on what to sell, your best bet is to go with selling something that you have knowledge about or an interest in. If you're familiar with technology such as computers or any electronic hardware, sell that. This aspect is varied from clothing, books, accessories, etc. By kicking things off with items you're familiar with will reduce the initial risk of the item purchasing, as you should be familiar with the pricing expectancy as well as how much you could make from it. Even though it may be easier just to stick with selling items that you're knowledgeable and familiar with, what if you could earn more by selling items that have higher value than the market price or selling items that are highly profitable? Now, if you're looking to earn way more than the usual than any other eBay sellers out there, there's only 4 simple ways to learn and apply it to your online business. The easiest way to find the hottest selling items is literally right under your nose at the eBay homepage. These items are not simply marked for being hot sell or top sell. When it comes to items that are marked as being hot, it's due to the fact that the item is highly bid on by lots of people. Another simple way to look for items that allow you to search for hot selling items is to look for successful auctions from recent results. Coupled with comprehensive research from various types of auctions, you should be able to narrow down to the items that are trending in sales. To search for completed listings, click the advanced search link above. Tick the completed listings at the Find Items page and proceed to click Search. Besides from using freehand research methods, another option you could look into is the eBay Marketplace Research. You can subscribe to this service at pages.ebay.com/marketplace_research/. The eBay Marketplace Research will allow you to observe significant statistical information on the buying trends at eBay. This market research tool contains all of the data that you could possibly ever need to determine how well or how poorly an item will do in an eBay auction. Now, if you have an eBay account already set up, you just have to click Sign In to proceed to the TerraPeak page to try out their 7-day trial. Besides relying on eBay or other e-commerce sites to search for a hot-selling item, you can even conduct your research around you as well. Look around you, look in your house, on the street, in shopping malls, at the gym, or even your workplace. You can see all sorts of products being used by consumers. Each item you see could potentially bloom into a hot-selling item on eBay.